your Turnitin administrator send an email to set up your account. Now you click the setup account. So a new window will open and write exact email address which you are used for a registration and the last name which you have used in exact pattern, means in capital or small, which you have entered into the Turnitin account or registration. So always keep in mind that the entire last name, that is your family name, should be match with your registrations. So here write the exact family name. So this portion is complete. So after the account setup, you have to recheck your email once again for creating password. So look at the new email is appear to create the password. Now type here your password, and this password length may be 4 to 8 characters. There is no character limitation, but try to use a strong password. So after the finishing the password, now you go to the login using your email ID and the password which have recently set. So one end user agreement is there. By creating the password details, how you remember your password, and the question that if you forget the password, then how you reset your password. So this portion is complete. Then agree with the user license. Now you have to select the add class, because the add class, until and unless you create the add class, it's not possible. So if the class name is your name, class name is your name, and the enrollment key 1 2 3 4 5 is not an issue. Then the subject area, student level, etc., you can select accordingly. And you choose the class end date. So it automatically take the end date. You can alter this date, not an issue. So this is the first step to create your class. Okay, now the class is created. Now just click on the class here. So click in your class name, not class here. Now you have to select the add assignment. This is very important because if you not configure it properly, your paper may be rejected due to the higher percentage of the plagiarism. So for configuration, you give the assignment title, write your name once again because it is easy to remember that when you delete this portion, and then you select the assignment date, class starting date, and the class end date, which is very important for selecting this data. Now go to the optional setting. Don't forget to go to the optional setting. Otherwise, you cannot select the no repository. So remember one thing, that the class start date and the class end date should be the date before your ending of class. So look at here, I have to select the no repository. Please do it cautiously and recheck once again. Otherwise, your paper may go to the repository and unable to delete until and unless you write the exact paper name, paper title, paper ID, etc. So I recommended that not to select the edit setting. Okay, for my that I check once again that it selected exactly which I want or not. Look at some points, you have to change it as per your requirement, but keep in mind that your paper should be under no repository. So this is for setup. So you may select that the report is the final report, is not an issue. Otherwise, your report is not generated properly. So the selection process is complete. Now you can submit your paper. So don't touch the edit setting. Now go to the direct submission. So here are the submissions for single file, multiple file, zip file upload. Now you select the file according to you. Write the paper, your name, paper title, etc., which is one, and you select the file from the computer for upload purpose. Depending on the file type, the number of word sentences, your choice. It may take 5 to 10 minutes, or if your paper is too small in size, it may be completed within 2 minutes or also less than 2 minutes. Remember that for checking near about 20 words is mandatory, and 4000 character limits which are the given in your setup. So you can check this type of ID. After that, you'll go to the view, then submit file, and attach your Word file. That is your manuscript or your report or as your assignment. Then after file attachment, you click on the upload all, then submit. Wait for 3 seconds. Look at this is the empty report. Refresh it. I already say that it will take 1 to 2 minutes. So the result is here, and this is the page, and this highlighted are actually the copied term. So thank you for watching, and set up your Turnitin account, and please don't share your account user ID and password to anyone. Thank you.